Good day, everyone. Yeah, at the moment we are here in kind of a Vietnam place. Yeah, Inigo said, I'm not really sure, but probably because of his research, just like this one, Tan Viet Noodle House. Yeah, and actually most of the people we are seeing at the moment are like us. Yeah, it's good to see something like this. Mhm. Ganito rin sa Vietnam, maliit nga lang yung sidewalk.
May mga nagtitinda sa kalye.
Mm. Even those group of people that are chatting along the street, yeah, sitting down there, very common in Asia or in Vietnam, in the Philippines also.
Ito natin yung mamaya.
Uh-huh.
Ayun o. Kita mo, marami nag-withdraw.
So Inigo made a research and he said it's the best rated Vietnamese restaurant.
It is. It's what it says. 4.7 on Google. Almost perfect. 4.7. Okay. This is our first meal.
And this is my order. Yeah, this kind of noodles looks like a pancit palabok.
Oh, last one.
Yeah. Tikman mo, walang lasa.
Baka lalagyan mo lang.
Mm. And this kind of egg, pork chop, egg, and I don't know, maybe this is not egg. And this Inigo's meat.
Chicken.
Yeah, chicken. Tomato rice daw yan. Yung mga kabataan doon nakipag-usap sa mga foreigner sa park. Yun yung mapapansin pag pumunta ka doon. Doon sila natututo ng English. And we are very satisfied with that meal. Yeah, delicious. Actually, whenever I go to a Vietnamese restaurant, I order the same food. Yeah. Always pork chop. Thank you.
Sweet and sour. They're nice.
Is it good?
One of them is popular.
In Vietnam.
Yeah, in Vietnam. But in like Asian country, Malaysia,
Thailand.
Indonesia, no China.
Thailand.
Thailand, yes.
Laos.
Oh, I said a lot for, Asian people.
We don't have in the Philippines.
We don't have this.
Where you come from?
Philippines. So we have this umbrella. Umbrella?
Video mo doon.
Yeah. Yeah, this umbrella. It's good. Siniguelas, parang ganun. Hindi.
Siniguelas.
Siniguelas ba?
Oo. Ito, tikman ko.
Yeah, but actually, I'm not sure if it's siniguelas. Yeah, because in English, it's umbrella. In Tagalog, balulong. Actually, not Tagalog, it's a Visayas. There is no Tagalog.
Tikman natin, natin natin.
That's why I don't recognize. Even the picture actually over there is, yeah, I don't really recognize. But the taste a little bit of siniguelas. Siniguelas is also not common, but
Sa
yeah, available.
Latin America.
We always see in the Philippines, but not like mango.
Nagustuhan mo?
And then go get some, yeah, assorted,
Only $9.
yeah, assorted
six buns,
buns.
for $9.
Ano ako?
Hindi masarap?
It's a little bit dry, but I like the taste. This one is beans,
Egg yolk.
egg yolk. And look at that, they are selling on the sidewalk. If you are walking down here, yeah, look at this. In this particular scene, there is no Western people. Not anyone. Even my eyes don't see any Western one. There are some mess around here, but that is normal. Being here is actually like we travel to Vietnam. And now we're going inside like this public market.
Pili ka, apat na dish. Kanina, 3.
Oh, there's some dried fish, shrimp. Yeah, and there have some yeah, Asian vegetable, kangkong.
Tatlo for
3, 4, 5. Oh, this one, Hong Kong Shopping Plaza. Yeah, there is also wet market section with this seafoods.
Mốt là tôi nói là mốt là ngày mai mà.
dito.
手霜嘞，你别，这儿有我。
For you to believe that we are in Australia, yeah, you'll see that Woolworths. Yeah, these Woolworths, and there's BWS. Yeah, that's why we are in Australia. We are not in Vietnam. Actually, if you are looking around here and you've been in Vietnam, you will think that this one is one of a kind of modern Vietnam. So if you want to come here, basically you just take the train going to Cabramatta. Yeah, that's the Cabramatta station, Perpel Cabramatta West. And there is this Cabramatta hotel. Yeah, and you're going to see this kind of Vietnam center. It's actually a big area. Looking at it, it's bigger than the shopping center in Ho Chi Minh City. Yeah, I forgot the name of that shopping center in Bintan, if I'm not mistaken. Bintan Shopping Center. Because I was actually in Ho Chi Minh City, yeah, in Vietnam, before coming here in Australia. Inigo bought a lot of things. He's going to send to the Philippines. It is now already 6:08, and yeah, most of the shops, they are also already closed. I don't know if all of them are going to close by around this time, but yeah, there is one restaurant over there. Inigo keeps on coming back. He wants to eat oh, what's that? Banh mi. Yeah, but the lady keeps on saying after 6 o'clock. After 6 o'clock. But it's like what I've said, it's over 6 o'clock already. And we're again in the restaurant. Yeah, Vietnamese restaurant again. And yeah, this is standard. They always serve kind of tea. Pickled yung garlic o ano? Marinated? Nakababad lang sa vinegar yung pickle, ay yung garlic.
Dapat in-order mo white coffee.
Ano yan? Yung madaming milk lang. And this is my black coffee. It's very strong and sweet.